1 Class 7 The Book of Nature. Let's share. Why do we write letters? Discuss with your partner. Answer. We write letters because we want to say something, to explain our thought or our joy and sorrow to someone. Next, have you ever received a letter from an elder? Yes, I have received letter from elder. If you not receive any letter, then you say no, I have not received letter from elders. 3. Ask your partner if he or she had written a letter to anyone before. If yes, then say yes. No, then say no. He and she have not, or yes, if yes, then say he or she have written letters before. If no, he and she have not written letter before. Then activity 1. Underline the appropriate alternatives. A. India is in fact a big, small, huge part of the Earth's surface. Then small. Once upon a time, the Earth was too cold, dark, hot for any living being to survive. Hot. Fossils are a type of wild animal, one kind of hard rock, the remains of old living beings. The fossils are the remains of old living beings. Activity 2. Answer the following questions in complete sentences. What must we do to know about the story of the world? Answer. We must think of all the countries and all the peoples that have inhabited it. B. How old is your earth? Our earth is millions and millions of years old. Who roamed the earth before the animal of human being? Before man can animals remain roamed roamed on the earth. Activity 3. Fill in the blanks with suitable word from the text. First letter of the word are given. A. As a subject is quite interesting. History. We have good relation with our neighboring countries. C. Plant need air, water and sunlight to grow. D. Can you imagine how big the universe is? You should not study. You should study regularly if you want to be a good student.